In this video, I will be showing you all how to do a do-it-yourself edge repair cream. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'll show you everything that I use. It's super easy, super simple with things that you probably already have. Also, I want to give a big thanks to LILYSILK for collaborating with me in this video. Enjoy! Hey guys! I am coming to you guys from my bathroom again. Seems to be a recurring theme around here. But today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to regrow your edges once they have broken off or once they are damaged, once they are just shot. Let's just get into it. So the first thing I want to do is explain to you guys what's going on with my edges, and what happened. And that is, I was using a glow mist on my face. I still use it, but what was happening is I was going too far above this line here, and it was getting into my hair, getting into my edges, and it was causing my hair to break off. It took me a while to figure that out. So make sure whatever products you're using on your face, skincare products, cleansers, moisturizers, anything like that, make sure it's not getting into your hair because it can contain alcohol or maybe parabens or maybe something that your scalp, it could irritate or inflame your scalp. It could cause your hair to break off. So make sure, again, you're not going above this line. I'm not saying don't use your products, just don't use your products in your edges. Even with your makeup remover, make sure that you are not using it too close to your edges because it can cause your hair to break off. So I wanted to go over with you guys everything that I did to regrow my edges. It's a really simple formula, but real quick, we're gonna go over with you some preventative measures as well. Make sure you are sleeping on a silk pillowcase or using a silk bonnet like so. Let me show you. Okay, so I've got my bonnet and my pillowcase because I just want to show you guys what that looks like. So it looks like this. This is by LILYSILK, and this is 100% silk. And so here's the bonnet. This is really important, guys, because it helps to reduce friction, and that friction can cause your hair to break off if you're sleeping on like a cotton pillowcase, which is normal, standard. But this is the bonnet that I use, and this is mulberry silk. So I love that too. That's supposed to be the queen of fabrics. So this is by LILYSILK. I have collaborated with them in the past. I'm collaborating with them again today. I'm like decked out in all LILYSILK. But this is the pillowcase that I use. I have like a million of these pillowcases because sometimes I don't even feel like wearing my bonnet, and so I sleep on these pillowcases. So this is also really important to make sure you are sleeping on a silk pillowcase. And not all silk is created equal, so I really respect LILYSILK because they have really good quality products. And this is also LILYSILK. This is a silk bra that I'm wearing, y'all. It feels like nothing. Have y'all tried like the I can't remember the brand, it's called Barely There or something like that, but this feels like much better than that. I literally just unzipped to show you guys, but this is so comfortable. This is a comfortable bra. It really feels like I have absolutely nothing on. So check them out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below so you guys can try them out. But they have so many different products. They have pillowcases, bedding, they have dresses. As you can see, they have bras, they have scrunchies, they have pajamas, anything you could think of. This is all silk, and they have it. And silk has so many different benefits, like it's good for your skin. It keeps the moisture locked in your skin, so this is really good to sleep on at night. Silk is also really good because it's antimicrobial. It also helps to like reduce wrinkles while you sleep, all that good stuff. So make sure you check them out. Again, I will leave a link below, and I'll also leave a discount code below. Now, other things you want to avoid to save your edges is to make sure you're not wearing any hairstyles that's pulling your hair too tight. Some people have finer hair that just can't handle the tight hairstyles like braids or even like the high ponytails, the lace fronts. Not saying you have to stop it completely, but you might want to give it a rest for a while and repair your hair before keep on doing it, because what happens is your hairline keeps going back further and further and further, and then you're not gonna, you ain't gonna be able to do nothing about it. So let me show you guys exactly what I did. I actually recorded like some footage, I want to say about 2.5, 3 months ago, because I wanted to show you guys where I started. So I'm going to insert that here so you guys can see where I began and where I am now and everything that I did. So I'm going to insert it right here. Okay guys, so I'm not really sure what order I'm going to be doing this video in, but I wanted to show y'all how my hair was breaking off from my glow mist. I love my glow mist. I'm just not going to use it around my edges. I'm not breaking up with my glow mist. I love it. But so I just wanted to show you guys what it did to my hair, and I always try to make sure I don't get too close to my hairline, but apparently I didn't do that great of a job, and this is what's happened as a result of it. So I'm getting as close as possible. As you can see, it's kind of thin right here in my edges, and my edges are extremely short. These are not baby bangs. It seemed like it did it more on this side. I'll show you guys an example. Like as you can see, this is baby hair. This is where hair should actually be. It's a little thicker because I've already started my process, but it was even thinner, but it's still too thin. I'm gonna give you an example on this side so you can see how my hair actually looks. Let me try to, so this is how my hair should look right there in this area. As you can see, like this is hair, not, I'm trying not to do it without breaking my hair off. But this is like, as you can see, like this is hair. It's not baby hair. Woo! I was trying to avoid that. It's not baby hair. This looks like baby hair. It's not. It's like my edges coming off. Like you can see how far back it goes into my hairline. This is all just missing hair. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looked like. Okay, so now that you saw that, let me show you everything that I use. Now, this is gonna sound too easy, too simple, but it is easy and very simple. I told you guys that already. So the first thing that I use is this mask, and this is by Shea Moisture. This is their Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Looks like this. And what I do is I take it and I put it in like a little jar or a lid. Actually, you can see where I've been doing it on this lid. So a mask, so you could do it on the lid. So I do it like this. I take like a little scoop and I eyeball it. I know you guys are gonna ask me for measurements, but I eyeball it. So I take my finger, dip it in, I put it on something like a lid, or you can put it in a little jar or something like this. So you take a little bit of this mask or conditioner, and then what you do is you add a little Jamaican black castor oil. And you know what I'll do is I will eyeball it, and then I will leave the measurements in the description box. So I use Jamaican black castor oil, and I mix that together. And I will say that I will use Tropic Owl Living. I have used other Jamaican black castor oils and it's been, so I would try this one. I really like this brand. And then what I do is I take rosemary oil. You can get rosemary oil off of Amazon. I like to get mine from Whole Foods. Just make sure that it does not contain alcohol and it doesn't say for aromatherapy use only. And this, I will tell you measurements. You want to use 2 drops of this. It comes with a dropper. You want to use 2 drops of this. And this is rosemary oil. Now, rosemary oil is good because it actually helps to produce new hair follicles. So that's why you're adding your rosemary oil to it. Your Jamaican black castor oil is a great conditioner. It keeps your hair soft. And then, so I mix that all together. And then after I apply that to my edges, what I then do is I apply, and yes, this has a lot of controversy, but this works. Vaseline on top of that. And the reason why is because it protects your hair. So once I apply this, this is going to, I lock everything in. So I'm locking in all of the ingredients that I just put in, and it keeps your hair soft so it won't break off. And then after I do that, I put on my LILYSILK scarf, my bonnet, or yeah, I always wear the bonnet with this because I don't want to mess up my pillowcase. But I'll just wrap that around my hair and I sleep like that. I did this for about 2.5, 3 months, and my hair has grown back. I wouldn't say like some great significant amount, but I feel pretty happy with it. If I can do it side by side, I'll do it. But I'm about to get up and show you guys where we are now. All right, so I've gotten up to show you guys where we are now versus where we were then. So I didn't go back and look at the video, but I'm just going to show you like where we are now with the front of the hair. I think I did this in the first video, but you can see like my baby hairs are much thicker, or at least I can tell my baby hairs are much thicker here and on this side as well. But this side wasn't that as big as a problem as this side, which I'll show you guys. Save the best for last. You can already see just me holding my hair up just like this, like how much thicker it is. Hopefully you can see. And I'm gonna start separating so you can see like where we are. Oh, it's getting tangled. I didn't think that through. Maybe if I can, there we go. How much better that is. Now you can see where I lost the hair up in here, up in this area, but this is where it's growing back in. There we go. I'm like, wait a minute, where is it? There it is. It was this area right here. This is how much it's growing back in. And maybe I can do a side by side, but as you can see, it is much, much better than our before babies. So that's where we are with it. As usual, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, no BS, I completely didn't realize I'm editing and I'm seeing that my struggle side is actually this side, and I was showing you guys this side because I couldn't tell. Like it was all growing in. So I'm gonna show you this side just for comparison's sake. Like where we are here, I'm just gonna get in there with my nails and show you guys where we are on the struggle side without trying to break my hair off. It's another thing, be really careful when you're detangling your hair. But this is my struggle side. Let's see if I can get in there thinner. There we go. This was the struggle side. So you can see how much it has grown back. Look at that. Oh my God, that was hilarious. There we go.